In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your budget mic sound professional in OBS Studio. Whether you're a budding content creator, a gamer looking to enhance your streams, or just someone who wants better audio quality for their videos, OBS Studio is a fantastic tool to get you started. And while many assume having a high-budget microphone is necessary for great sound, today we'll show you how to punch above your weight using what you already have. First things first, start by launching the OBS Studio app on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, head over to their official website, download the installer, and follow the straightforward setup process. Once you have OBS Studio open, the journey to professional sound quality begins with fine-tuning your audio settings. Now, turn your attention to the audio mixer. This is usually located at the bottom of the interface where you'll find all your audio input sources listed. If your microphone isn't already visible, don't worry. Simply add it, making sure it's the correct input device and ensure it's active. With your mic clearly set in the audio mixer, you're in the right place for some key adjustments. Next, click on the three-dot icon, which acts like an ellipsis menu, providing you with many more options. This icon is usually to the right of each audio source indication, offering settings specific to that source. The true magic lies in these settings, where we can add filters to significantly enhance your microphone's sound quality. Once you click on the three-dot icon, go ahead and select Settings to dive into the configuration that will make your mic sound top-notch. Within these settings, direct your focus to the section that allows you to add audio filters. These filters are the unsung heroes of audio production, allowing you to manipulate and refine the sounds being captured by your microphone. Now it's time to add audio filters to your microphone input. Start by adding a noise suppression filter. This particular filter will help eliminate unwanted background noise, making your voice come through clearer. Next, consider using the compressor filter, which will help control the dynamic range of your audio, evening out the volume levels and preventing sudden spikes in sound. Additionally, the equalizer or EQ filter is a crucial tool to ensure your voice sounds balanced across different frequencies. Experiment with adjusting the low, mid, and high frequencies to find that sweet spot where your voice sounds rich and full without being overpoweringly bass-heavy or too tinny. Incorporating these specific audio filters in OBS Studio can transform the sound profile of even the most common budget microphones, adding clarity and warmth to your recordings or live streams. It's always a good idea to test your settings by recording short clips and listening back through a good pair of headphones, making any necessary tweaks as you go. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to enhancing your microphone's performance without breaking the bank. I hope this guide helps you on your journey to achieve that professional sounding audio. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, happy recording!